Good morning. Finally coaxed myself into coming back outside. I am sore from yesterday, but worked all that out and got the chili started for this evening. Just thought I'd take a walk with Mr. Maximus. We'll give him some privacy while he takes a dump there. And but yeah, this looks so much better, and it is ready for spring to start filling in. I am very, very happy to see most of the leaves done. That's going to be a project for today. It's the pine over there. Get the sticks out, and then we'll do that. And here's the hill that we got. And like I said yesterday, we're going to get down there with the chainsaw, hopefully, and cut all that stuff up so we can start clearing that down. Hooray!